All right, Amazon sellers, today Brianna and I are going to educate you and teach you how to handle more problems yourself. I'm going to be talking about a business verification case where we won for the client, but you can do it yourself. They won with a Zoom call.
Absolutely. So in a verification case, Amazon basically needs to verify the information you provided on your Seller Central account. They want to verify your business information, whether you have a business license, your personal information, your bank account information that you provided to them. They want to make sure everything is what you said it is.
Now, up until very, very recently, these were some of the most frustrating suspensions that you can face because Amazon had picked up on something in the information you provided to Amazon where there was a discrepancy. It could be as simple as East Park Avenue on one document, which is our address, and on another document it said E. Park Avenue. Or the phone number was different, or you have multiple email addresses. So what we've been teaching sellers just like you is to literally lay out all your documents on your dining room table, go through with a fine-tooth comb, find the discrepancy. But Brianna won a case, we want to share this information, that after submitting all the documents, they won with a Zoom with Amazon.
So we did provide all of the documentation. The client had everything laid out. What was interesting is that they actually had to get some documents translated because they are not from the United States. So they made sure everything was laid out in a proper way to Amazon. And then Amazon responded like, thank you for the information. We would like to schedule a Zoom call to further identify you. And after the Zoom call with the client, Amazon actually reinstated the account. And so now we know that with verification issues, Amazon uses Zoom as a way to identify a seller, which I think is really, really cool.
So what can you do proactively, okay? Because with great drive becomes great responsibility. So you as the Amazon seller, if you're facing a business verification issue, you now know that in some cases, Amazon is requesting a Zoom.
Right.
So what should you do? Provide the documents and you offer to get on a Zoom.
Absolutely.
And maybe this is a way that you can get yourself reinstated or reactivated. So Brianna, this was a huge victory. It's a new twist to business verification.
Yes.
And another change that occurred, I guess about 2 years ago or 3 years ago, was when Amazon changed business verification from solely being for brand new sellers to expanding it to all sellers. So this information is important to all of you watching this video. If you get hit with a business verification, send them in the documentation, find the discrepancy if you can, and you should affirmatively offer to get on a Zoom with Amazon. And we think this will help you help yourself get your account reactivated.